If you're a beat maker and you want to learn how to make a beat using a hi-hat only, you came to the right place, because today we're making a beat using a hi-hat only. The only thing I can't use is the 808 because that is just like, bruh. But other than that, I need to make the melody and the clap, open hat, everything just using the hi-hat strictly. So let's dive right into it. This is like a rather wide hi-hat, so I'm going to put some reverb on it. I'm also going to add some chorus to this. Let's drag up the BPM. I'm bumping my head like it's about to be fired, but trust the process, you guys. Let's add portal to this, something glitchy maybe. Let's low-key fire that preset. So we added rhythm crickets underneath sound design. It really has like that dark vibe to it. So what I want to add to this as well is some fastest. Not a lot. Let's add some delay. Pretty decent for for like the melody. That'll do. Let's add a clap in there. Hi-hat clap. Let's do option A. Let's throw some halftime on this and some reverb. Alright, we're getting somewhere. This is harder than I thought, bro. Bro, just wait. This finna smack. We got this right here. Ooh, I like that. Adding reverb on everything. It's about to be a new wave hi-hat only beat, bro. Oh my goodness. Shit. I low-key fuck with it. Ooh, what is this? We need like something that supports the melody. I'm making this shorter. I mean, it gotta do though, but that motherfucker be hitting though. That's hard. It's so trash that it's hard. What are we making, bro? I low-key like it. I low-key don't like it. Let's just structure it real quick. We can maybe try to flip this once more. Whew. That was about to go in. Oh my days. I hope you heard that. You can maybe play with the pitch. Yeah, that's hard. And then it switches again to the other BPM with the reverse. Yeah. Then different 808 pattern. I think it's more interesting when like the beat just switches the whole time. I don't know what I think of the beat. The beat is super aggressive in my opinion. We made this like in 20 minutes, but this tutorial showed you how to make a hi-hat type of beat all from scratch inside of FL Studio. Although we used a 808 pattern, there's no way I could make the 808 with a hi-hat, bro. I tried it though off camera, but I failed, bro. I was like, nah. So I low-key fuck with it. I low-key don't fuck with it. If you get like the right artist on it, because I was spitting at one point, get like the right artist on this, I think it would go crazy. Like this tutorial showed you also. So like that simplicity is just key in beats and they don't need to do all this extra stuff. I know a lot of people be saying hi-hats are dead in 2023, but I think hi-hats are back in 2023, so y'all be sleeping on hi-hats, bro. Anyways, make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. If you enjoyed it and if you learned something from it, please leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.